Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Alright, let's be honest, it was a really busy week, and I was so exhausted. But no longer, because lo and behold, the postman rocks up and we've got a few deliveries in, and all of a sudden I am ecstatic. I'm so excited to show you guys everything that's come today, and there's some really exciting stuff that I can't wait to open. So it will be over different videos for each item, but we'll start with the first one right about now. Alright, it's that time again. We're going to open up some more silver. So very excited today. I've been buying up quite a bit recently, and whew, I'm very excited for this piece. This is actually going, depending on how it looks, I haven't seen it yet, but depending on how it is, this may be the best bit in the silver stack. Yep, new favorite piece. Wow, okay, this is pretty remarkable, guys. This is very exciting. So here today, I'm going to get this open first, then show you. Okay, we're back with some scissors now, and here today, we have the one, the only, the spectacular, something that I don't want to break. Okay, let's try and figure out how this is done, because I do not want to ruin the package that this is in. So from what it seems, yeah, okay, we're going straight in. From what it seems like, it's been wrapped in a plastic bag, so we can cut through that. Hopefully it's not the case, otherwise that won't be great. But we will get this open. Always want to be careful with this sort of thing, but if you can do it quickly, then that is what I'm going to do. As long as I don't damage it, though. We've seen plenty of good packaging lately. Oh, thank goodness. Here we have the spectacular 2020 Perth Mint Double Dragon coin. That's right, this is actually a coin. It is the rectangle dragon, and wow, oh wow, it is amazing. So these are actually a very special type of issue from the Perth Mint. Firstly, it's actually a really nice pouch. It's a Perth Mint pouch, so you can see the logos up the top there. But it's actually a really nice pouch. Usually Perth Mint stuff would be coming in capsules, but this is really nice. So these boys have a limited mintage of around 250,000, which is actually significantly lower than other bullion coins from the Perth Mint. Yes, these do come in proofs as well, but this is actually considered bullion. And so, for example, your kookaburras, they are issued in lots of 300,000 a year. American Silver Eagles, millions. All those sorts of bigger issues are much more popular, and so there is a lot more made. These spectacular rectangle coins are have a set mintage of 250,000 a year. And my thoughts, and based on one of the sellers that was talking to me about this, is that they're actually unlikely to reach that mintage this year, because obviously in the current situation, the Perth Mint are just pumping out as much as they can in terms of reaching their mintages, but they haven't produced a lot of these throughout the year, to be honest, and I'd actually be quite surprised if they reached much over 100,000 minted. And so if you can pick these up at a bullion price, then of course you're going to take it. So a spectacular coin, it did actually come with quite a big premium, and it did feel quite expensive, but that was based off my previous purchases when spot was lower. So this had roughly, I did some working out, so the seller might think, oh wait, what? But this was roughly about a $15 premium, so spot about $35, paid about $50 for this, but given the mintage, I'm willing to pay that. And besides, this is one coin that I don't want to miss. I have so much admiration for this piece because it is such a simple and elegant piece. It's got a really good design, and I'm a really big fan of it. So I think what I want to do now is, I should probably put some sort of gloves on. I don't want to mess up the coin, but we'll actually take it out and get you guys a better look with the camera flipped around so that you guys can see the Perth Mint 2020 Double Dragon. Alright everybody, here is the spectacular rectangle coin. So here we have the Perth Mint 2020 Rectangle Double Dragon, and as you can see down the very bottom left, we have, if I can get the camera to stay still, we have the Perth Mint P. So that's one of the security features that they have with their pieces. It's such a nice piece. It's roughly the size of the CPG bars. Obviously, the CPG bars have a lot lower premium, but this is one piece that I really didn't want to miss out on. It is truly a spectacular piece of silver. So there we go. I'll show you guys the other side as well. Flip it around so I can take the gloves off, but here we go right about now. Holy moly, is this an obverse to withhold? What an incredible design. I know it is pretty much like the rest of them, but I really like this. You know, it's a lot more, I guess you could say Simple's the word there, but I really like the way that it's set out with the Elizabeth II Australia 1 ounce 4/9 fine AG. So usually I think most of the other products might say silver or 4/9 fine silver, that sort of thing. But I really like how it's using the AG there, and I have to say I'm actually a big fan of this. Just to give you guys some actual comparison in the size of this thing, because the camera does make it look bigger. This is barely the size of my entire, it's at least just over half the size of my finger. So quite remarkable how small this is, and it is 1 ounce. So I do have a capsule that I may consider putting this in, because it is something that I really do want to protect, and I think the capsule will fit this. But it also is a really nice satchel that it comes in, and I'd definitely use it for something else, if not this. Well, here we go, everybody. So I did actually get it in the capsule, which is actually a little bit bigger than it. So surprised me in the opposite way, but I think I'll keep it in here because it is a more tight of a capsule, so it's not jiggling around, even though it doesn't fill the whole space. And that does tell me that the CPG is actually a bit bigger than this. If you don't know what I mean by CPG, it is a previous bar that I've unboxed on the channel. It's a 1 ounce bar that also has a serial number. It's actually quite a cool piece of Australian silver to stack. So make sure to check out that video if you haven't already. But it is a bit of a favorite around on the channel, and this is definitely one of the new favorites. Such a spectacular coin. So that's one of the things that really draws me towards it, is the fact that it's a rectangle coin. So, you know, big fan of this. Really, really happy to be adding this to the stack. Got a new case that I can use for something else. Oh, it's very shiny today. But very, very happy with this. And even though I'm stacking just 1 more ounce, everything makes a difference. You know, every bit of silver could change everything, I guess. So every bit means so much to me. I'm very glad to be getting this, and I'm very happy that it is a piece that I've actually been looking for a while, and I'm really happy to get. So thanks to the seller on the Silver Stackers forum. If you guys are interested in getting some really nice pieces on the forum, make sure to use the link in the description. I've had some inquiries about using the forum and how to trust people there, so I will actually make a video to help you guys understand and use the forum. So stick around for that, and just let's hang in for some more stuff. You know, lots of awesome stuff coming up, especially in the precious metals department, but also in other areas, because as much as I know you all love precious metals, it's really important to learn about other things as well, and that's what the Investing for Kids channel is all about, guys. Such fun making the videos for you all, so thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye. Gotta go unbox some more new stuff now.